Dear parents, your smartphones being misused by kids. In order to prove that, just go to the data usage in your smartphone, just check it and you can see 3 or 4 applications that are being or frequently used in your smartphone. And that will be Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube as well as a gaming application called PUBG. So the second question that you will be asking, can I prevent it? Yes, sure, the question is very simple, but the answer is not so simple as you think. And in today's video, it's me, Donald Sebastian, proudly presenting you the most used and useful app on Google, and that is Google Family Link application. So guys, this is my brother Ron, R-O-N, Ron. So he's gonna participate with me and together we are going to vlog this video. So he's necessary for showing this demonstration. So guys, I'm going to show you the 3 useful things of using this smartphone application. You have to install these 2 applications in your smartphone. One is a parent application as well as a kids application. Guys, as you can see, he's now using Facebook in his smartphone. So now I'm going to just hide it from his smartphone without his prior permission. I'm just going to hide it or delete it from your smartphone. Is Facebook visible in your smartphone?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah, okay. So he has already said it's visible and it's perfectly working in his smartphone. So I'm gonna do a setting in my parent's smartphone. Okay, consider me as a parent. Okay. Ron, is that Facebook working?
No, it's already gone.
That's it, the thing. The Facebook is not working and it's being deleted from his smartphone without his prior permission. That's the main benefit of using this smartphone. You could even control or delete or hide this application from your kid's smartphone without his or her prior permission. The second thing of using this application is that you could even set a limit for your smartphone usage, smartphone application usage. Imagine he's a big lover of PUBG, is that?
Yes.
Yes, he is a lover of PUBG as well as me. I am also a lover of PUBG as well as I like WhatsApp. I like every applications. So now I'm going to set a limit for him and he could only play within that limit. So if I set a time for 1 hour, he could play only for that 1 hour, and after that it will be automatically stopped without his prior permission, and only it can be run with me and my passcode. So that's the second thing and the most useful thing. That for me it's a big thing because the over exploitation of using a smartphone will be decreased by using this feature. And the third thing is that now he's using his smartphone and the Facebook is already hidden by me, could run any of other application in smartphone. So if you want to unlock or lock your smartphones of your kids, you could even do that by using this application. So I'm gonna just demonstrate it. I'm gonna just lock his smartphone. I'm gonna click this unlock button and it's gonna be locked. Is that locked?
Yes.
That's the thing, guys. His smartphone is locked and you can see his smartphone is locked and it's now more active, and it could be active once again only by entering the passcode by me. So that's the thing, guys. The main benefit of using the smartphone application is that you could even control, manage or even delete the data of your kid's smartphone. So the complete control of your kid's smartphone is with you. So try to use this application. I think it will be more secure and one of the best applications that you have ever used. There's a question that you will be asking, whether they uninstall it. No guys, never. They couldn't uninstall this application. Only by just entering the passcode by me, they could uninstall this application. Be sure that the passcode is not given to your kids and you could manage your kid's smartphone very wisely. So together, I, Donald Sebastian, and he, Ron Sebastian, signing on from this vlogging video. We'll be back with another new series of some applications like this. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and try to share this video maximum to your friends as well as your family members. It will be really useful. It's me, Donald Sebastian, and Ron Sebastian, signing out from DTech.